Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide likes and views on your own posts on Instagram. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app, and for the sake of this example we are going to create a brand new post. Click on the lower center of the screen, hit the plus sign, and let's select our post. This is going to be our post, right? Click next. Change the description, change the actual contrast, change the saturation, click next. Right over here guys, you have one of the greatest options, which is advanced settings, all the way to the bottom of the page. I want you to click on advanced settings, and then I want you to click on the second option, which is like and view counts. You want to click hide like and view counts on this post. If you do that, you're simply not going to be able to share how many people view your post, how many people like your post, and you're going to be able to hide all this information for yourself only. You're going to be the only person who will see the analytics of the post and know exactly how many people interact and how successful overall your post was. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.